In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a Fibonacci in TradeStation. So unfortunately, I can't access the main page of the TradeStation due to account restrictions. So listen carefully as I explain each steps. So first, make sure you are logged into the official website of TradeStation. So in here, once you are logged in, open a chart for the asset you want to analyze. So make sure the chart is set to your preferred time frame. For example, 1 hour, daily, or weekly. And then after that, click on the Drawing Tools menu in the chart window. Select the Fibonacci retracement from the list and then look for a significant high and low in the price chart. So in an uptrend, select the lowest point first, then drag to the highest point, and then in a downtrend, select the highest point first, then drag to the lowest point. Now, to customize Fibonacci levels, this is optional. You can right-click on the Fibonacci retracement lines and then select Properties to adjust levels, colors, and visibility. You can also input a common levels include 0.236, 0.387, or so on. And then after that, watch how price reacts around Fibonacci retracement levels and then look for a bounce or break points to make informed trading decisions. And that's it. That's how to draw a Fibonacci retracement in TradeStation. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.